Hello friends, I am Devansh from Radiance Academy and welcome to our YouTube channel Radiance Knowledge Box. Today we will learn about the introduction to excretory system. Okay, so let's go. So what is excretion? Here in the picture you can see the yellow spots are the waste which are being removed from our body. From our body. So the removal of unwanted and harmful metabolic waste substances is called as excretion. So the yellow dots which you can see in the screen is being removed. So these are the nitrogenous or the harmful metabolic waste. So the harmful metabolic waste consists of urea, then nitrogenous waste, then sweat. So it is being removed from our body, which is very harmful to our body. Then the parts of the excretory system which carry on the process of excretion are four types. First is the kidney, second is the ureter, third is the urinary bladder, and fourth is the urethra. In the right picture you can see there is a diagrammatic study of the excretory system where you can see kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. Then the first part of excretory system is the kidney. So the kidney are very important part of excretory system. These are reddish brown bean shaped organs. The yellow colored alphabets are very important, guys. And kidney is composed of outer darker region called as cortex and inner lighter region called as medulla. Then here in the picture you can see that the outer darker layer is the cortex, whereas the inner lighter region is called as that medulla. Now in the next slide we will learn about the location of the kidney. So the kidney is situated towards the back of the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone at the level of last two ribs. Again, it is situated towards the back of the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone at the level of last two ribs, and the right kidney is located slightly lower than the left kidney. Here in the left picture you can see the location of the kidney, where they are situated on either side of the backbone towards the back of the abdomen at the level of the last two ribs. Then the second part is the ureter. The ureter is a narrow tube and there are two ureters, one attached to each kidney. So the yellow colored alphabets are very important, guys. Please note this word. They are very important. Here in the picture you can see that there is one ureter which is connected to one kidney and the another is connected to the urinary bladder. So just like that there is a similar ureter which is attached to the another kidney. And then the location of the ureter, it runs from the inner side of the each kidney up to the urinary bladder. So the ureter acts as a connection between the kidneys and the bladder, and when the urine is being formed, it gets transferred into ureter, then the ureter transfers it to the bladder. So this is the function of the ureter, where it transfers the urine to from the kidneys to the bladder. Then the third part is the urinary bladder. So this is a picture of the urinary bladder, and it is a muscular bag and its location is it is situated under the lower abdomen. Okay guys. Then the function of the urinary bladder is that it stores urine and it allows urination to be infrequent and controlled. So here you can see that there is a picture where when it releases it constricts itself. So it can allow urination whenever it wants to and it can control whenever it wants to. Then the last part of excretory system is the urethra. The single median tube is called as the urethra, opening to the outside, and it is longer in males and it is shorter in females. As you can see in the picture, where you can see that it is longer in males whereas it is shorter in females. So again, so urethra is a single median tube and it is called as urethra, and its function is that it carries urine from the bladder to outside of the body. So the function of the urethra again is that it carries urine bladder to outside. If you like this video, please share and subscribe Radiance Knowledge Box.